People use people a lot. I would love to use someone when I'm too prideful. It's like, I like to serve, but it's hard to let someone do for me. Is that strange? I think it's strange, but I don't know. I don't find it very comfortable for people to do for me. I like to do for myself. I don't know. I'm independent, maybe. And so, no more orange. You know, it needs more yellow. So when you're painting a self-portrait about yourself, when you paint about yourself, so what is it that you're trying to say to others about who you are? I mean, what did Van Gogh say when he painted himself with a little piece of his ear missing, or the bandages all around? You know, you have to be really in love to cut off your own ear and send it to someone. That's some sick shit. I thought about that, but I don't think that's very romantic. I like flowers. Flowers don't hurt that much. And there's a lot of things that hurt, and there's a lot of things that are easy. Love is supposed to be easy. So my work is dedicated to love. Color, brightness, happiness, sunshine. No more darkness, no more shadows, no more fear, no more nothing that can hurt you. But if you look at my work, you'll see, when you look closely, I find it sad. Look at the Rain series, for instance. Rain. Rain is supposed to bring life, but rainy days are so, I don't know, lonely. The best time to make love is when it rains, because you're both feeling a little bit, I don't know, lonely. But rain can mean a lot of things. Can you ever feel like you're drowning in burden, drowning in troubles? Like nothing ever goes right in your life. Like it rains every freaking day. There's never a sunny day, a good moment, a bright time. And that's how I feel. I would like to paint it more. I would like to paint more good times. I'm faking it right now. I've been painting bright colors because it helps get me out of this depression that I've been in since, I don't know, since forever. I think I was born depressed. I was also born an insomniac. I don't go to sleep. I can't sleep at night. That's why you're seeing me again, painting my face again. But check out my work. Comment. Don't hate. I hate haters. People hate so much. I'll just delete all those things because hey, I don't like critics. Critics suck, man. If you have to criticize something, look in the mirror and say, damn, you ugly. Say that to yourself a couple times. See how it feels. Be honest with yourself. You know, there's some people that are really, really ugly, but they think they're cute. That's a funny thing, man. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder for sure. There's a lot of ugly things in the world. So you have to recognize the ugliness in you. I paint my face because, I don't know, if I take this paint off, I don't know, I'm tired of looking at my face like that. Right now it's new and I can appreciate it. But the face I was born with, every single day, you look at that, you kind of get tired. You see yourself getting older. But it's the same old shit. Same old. Like Basquiat used to say. Or used to write. I don't know. Same old. Same old shit. Every single day. So those are my goals. My goals are to embrace being an artist. Fuck everybody who hate art. I don't give a fuck about you. I just want to create work. And I just want to be happy creating work. I don't care if you like it. I don't care if you do or don't. All I want is, my goal is just to be an artist, just to create stuff that I like. So that's why I want to continue and not give up on what I like, what I enjoy, what gives me a little bit of hope, a little bit of happiness. I want to be able to paint every day, never worrying about art supplies, never worrying about my own poverty. Just create, get better at it. How can you get better at something that you don't do every day? That's why I want to change things. I want to do it every day. That's all. I just want to paint. So stop hating. Just let me live. Que t'aimes vivre. Merci.